Dawn finds a group of millionaires treating mornings as a system where fitness, reading, and a strict schedule prime the day. In interviews, they stress small, deliberate choices over flashy stunts, like short review mornings and precise cash flow checks. One tech founder recalls a 90-minute deep work block, followed by quarterly mentor retreats that test every risky bet. A family office executive explains governance rituals and philanthropy that align incentives and turn wealth into a lasting, principled compass. The message is simple and uplifting. Wealth grows when curiosity, discipline, and trusted advisors shape every daily choice.